Yes guys, it's Jando back with another video, and today we're going to be looking at another arpeggio. This is going to be for some cool minimal drum and bass, kind of liquidy sort of stuff, much similar to the likes of ALIX PEREZ, Tej. But yeah, let's jump straight into the sound, and this is what it actually sounds like. Yeah, let's jump straight into how I made the patch. Yes guys, just before we jump into the video, if you're interested in copying preset packs, sample packs, mix and mastering services and a bunch of other stuff, head over to our website jumpup.dnb.com. I've got all of my stuff on there now that I finally launched it. We've got the shop, which includes all of the preset packs, sample packs, and it's also got mix and mastering services here. If you head over to the services tab, it will give you more information about the mix and mastering services, as well as what you need to do if you are going to buy them. Soon I'll put up all of my dub packs. My DNB masterclass will be up there very soon as well, with a bunch of other stuff. So yeah, go over to drumandbass.com, check out all of the content, and nice one. So we're going to pull up this fresh serum patch here. This MIDI patch I'm going to include on my Patreon, so if you head over to my Patreon you can grab this MIDI patch. But if you want to have a quick look at it, we're looking at working in an A sharp major scale, so yeah, just try and copy these down if you want to copy it. If not, head over to my Patreon and grab the MIDI patch from there. But yeah, straight into the serum patch. So we're going to start off by turning on oscillator A, B, as well as the sub oscillator. We're going to pull the sub oscillator level all the way down, and we're going to bring the random down on both oscillator A and B. And then we're going to go on here and flick on sync, and then we're going to push this to about 5 here. And we're going to set this one to basic CJW, which is here, and we're going to put the wavetable position at about 133 will work there. And then for this one, we're going to go over to basic shapes. We're going to set this to wavetable position 4. And we're going to turn the filter on and set that to MG low 24. Next, we're going to take envelope 1 and assign that to the level of the sub oscillator at 75%. We're going to pull this back here to about 228 Hertz. 8 Hertz, and then we're going to set this mod macro here and put that on. And we're going to push this all the way up. So this is what I've automated at the start here, as obviously you could probably hear it, some automation in there. That's what I did. So we'll have a look at that in a minute. But for envelope 1, we're going to leave the attack as is, the hold as is, and we're going to set the decay to 284. 290 will be fine. And then we're going to put the sustain, drag this down a little bit to about 7.4 is good. And then for the release, we're going to do 44 ms. We're going to look at envelope 2 as well, and for envelope 2 we're going to leave the attack and hold as is, the decay as is, sustain's going to stay all the way up, but then with the release we're going to push this up a fair bit to about 382 is fine. So yeah, next we're going to head over, well, we're going to go back to the filter quickly and turn on the oscillator B filter. And we're also going to push the drive up slightly to about 45%, push the res up a little bit to about 45% as well, and then leave that as is. We're also going to go down here and turn on mono, which is quite important for this kind of patch. Next, well, let's give this a quick listen first. So yeah, already sounding pretty sick, so we're going to head over to the FX tab now. We're going to turn on hyperdimension, delay, reverb, compression, and we're going to have them in that order. So for the hyperdimension, we're going to bring this down slightly to probably about 20. We're going to go for about 25%. We're going to leave the rate detune as is, etc., etc. This is all going to be left as is. And then for the delay, we're going to leave the feedback as is, and we're just going to change here this one 1.2 actually, sorry, 1.2, and we'll change this one to 964, and then we're going to leave everything else as is. With the reverb, we're going to leave the size decay, and then we're going to push the low cut up to about 80%. We're going to leave the high cut, the spin, and the spin depth, and then with the mix, we're also going to leave that. And then with the compressor here, we're going to push the gain slightly, put the multiband on. We're going to leave the mix all the way up, and then with the multiband, we're going to leave the highs and lows, and with the mids, we're going to push them all the way up to 190. We're going to boost them quite a bit. That will give us this sound. Yeah, that is the patch, and then we're going to have a quick look at the automation that I've done here. So for the automation, we're going to use that mod here. So see the automation that I've got going on. I'm going to use this mod, and all I did with the mod was create this little shape. Yeah, super sick sound. There's so much you can do with this, changing around different stuff is going to give you different sounds. So this sounds not completely identical to the one that I showed you. To make it identical, you want to push the octave up one here and put it down -1 there, which gives you that sound. But this is something that you can mess around with, and it's personal preference on how you want it to sound. Yeah, there's loads of stuff you can do with this patch to add different variation, different twists and stuff to it. So yeah, but that's it for this video. Like I said, for the MIDI patch, if you want to get hold of that, head over to my Patreon. It's going to be on there. And if you head over to my store, jandodnb.com, I'm going to chuck a bunch of preset packs and sample packs that are full of these like ARPs and leads and stuff like that. That are perfect for intros, and like this track that I've just started. It's going to be perfect for your drops as well. So yeah, nice one.